Next project in the works here. So I got this Open Road Panther Series 2 13,000 pound waterproof winch. And I went with this winch because there were a lot of great reviews and people trying this winch out and saying that you know, it works as good as the top brand. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Got it for a great price, tremendous price, good company. You know, contacted them and they were quick to reply back and you know, keep me informed on the specs and the winch. So here we go. We're going to install this winch and hopefully it all turns out well. I've never installed a winch before in my life, but just like all my other projects, we learn as we go, right?
What's the worst that could happen?
What's the worst that could happen?
This video is brought to you by Chelsea with Smart City Locating. Chelsea is rapidly becoming one of the highest rated luxury apartment locators in Houston, Texas. If you or anyone you know is looking for luxury apartment living in the Houston area, then there is no one better to serve you than Chelsea with Smart City Locating. Contact information in the description of this video.
All right, so we're trying to figure out a way to, because we had this license plate mounted right where the, the little hole is for the winch line to go through. But we're gonna have to move it now, so let's see what we can come up with. All right, assortment of drill bits, license plate fasteners, bolts, screws, and let's see if we're halfway intelligent enough to figure this out. What we're thinking is we're just gonna kind of drill right through this bumper right here. This was really a pretty cheap bumper. It was just basically the cheapest steel bumper I could find at the time. I think it was around $210. Like it was really pretty cheap. But it's held up. I mean, I've had it about a year. Haven't really done much with it, so, but hey, it's on there. And I haven't noticed any rust spots or anything like that yet. We'll see how it holds up. But yeah, so I think we're just gonna drill some holes right probably down here so the license plate won't interfere with the space there for the winch line. There we go.
Simple.
In business. Just drill some holes and things and that's all it takes.
Simple dimple.
When in doubt, drill it out.
Okay. Definitely squeezing that hole pretty tight.
Good. That's good.
You know. Okay. That's that.
And looky there, license plate relocation.
And this guy right here.
And room for the winch.
Perfectly
Thingy. What is that thing called? The lead
I don't know.
winch rope.
To keep it from fraying her.
Okay. All right, so getting the fair lead mounted. Put a little blue Loctite on the threads. I just liked a little bit of insurance to you know, make sure things don't rattle off. Now we're gonna turn the Jeep around because we're in the driveway and the sun is shining right on our rednecks and it's burning us up. So we're gonna turn around and do this from inside the garage.
It's because of Russian invasions.
All right, so we got the Jeep turned around because here in early March near Houston, Texas, we've got sunshine and near 90 degrees today. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and work in the shade. Got the fan on. And the funny thing is, Saturday coming up, it is supposed to be in the 30s again. So that's excellent. We're gonna go from near 90 to to 30s in about 6 days. Texas. Okay, so here we're gonna put these. Here we're gonna put these square nuts up into this little compartment here. All right, and get it lined up, and then we're going to bolt it from up underneath the bumper through these holes right up into here. I like it.
Okay, go ahead and rock it. Where's that last?
That's the one. Yes, there we go.
Okay.
We're missing a bolt. If I were a bolt, where would I be? All right, we found the missing bolt. It fell down right in there. Lower, one level down from there. One level down.
There is no way to get to the level down.
There's not?
No.
Oh, shit.
That's okay. I got a tool for that.
Got a mat?
I got everything. Grabbers, magnets.
So yeah, a bolt fell right down inside the bumper there, so we're gonna have to finagle that out of there because we can't reach our hands in there.
I should have measured these before we put them in there, huh?
Measure them?
Yeah. So see what size it is for me.
Measure twice, cut once.
Yep.
Get them torqued down a little bit. These have lock washers on them, so hopefully that'll keep them secure, keep them from rattling loose. Now I did not put thread lock on these because they have the lock washers, so I'll check these in a while and see if see how it turns out. All right.
This boot's going to be a pain.
All right, so we got the winch wired up here. Pretty self-explanatory. You just match the colors up. All right, got red your power. All right, black to the ground. Got yellow. Got all the colors to the colors. So easy, a Texas redneck could do it. Now we got to get creative and find a really good way to get the power line to the battery and finish it up.
Small.
All right, so this here, we hooked the long black cable that goes to the black terminal of the battery, as well as the antenna wire hooked to this terminal right at the bottom of the winch motor here. There you go, right on the other side of that fat hand. And then we just gonna run it through there and then up and around through here, and we'll hook it. Then we're gonna run the red cable to power along the same route. All right, so we got the Open Road Panther Series 2 13,000 pound winch installed. We've got it wired up. Now I am going to add some length to this power cable because I don't like how it's draped over this, but the length of the power cable, that's all we got. So I'm gonna add some more length to this probably tomorrow or the next day, and that way I can run it along here and make it look nice and neat. But for now, it's powered up. All right. And got the wireless remote here. That's out. There we go. And that's in. So as far as it looks, it works. Now we're going to go actually test it out, and we are going to pull Chad's golf cart down the street. All right, so we're going to test the winch here. We're gonna pull Kyle and Chad in his golf cart and See how she does. I figure a 13,000 pound winch should definitely be able to pull a golf cart with two small sized humans in it. Right, Kyle?
Sounds fair enough. Hook into.
Yeah, so we didn't like how it was hooked up there, so we're gonna try to find something that looks more secure, a little safer.
Okay, so we'll come up. Okay.
Yes, our handy dandy helper here, Kyle. What you think, Kyle? Guess it's not the fastest winch in the world, but I mean, it's doing the job. Alright, so we know the wireless remote works. Now I'll go ahead and see if the
Like this, so you
see if the wired remote works. Yeah, that's fine.
So we're gonna click it.
There you go. Now Kyle is applying a little bit of pressure with the brakes, just to give it a little more tension. Ready?
Maybe out a little bit. One click. That's it. Dishes are done.
All right, so it worked. Now, see how much use we get out of it in the next few years, and we'll do a long-term review on it.
Yeah.
So far, so good. All right, Kyle, what do you think? Pretty good? Yeah.
After installing and testing the winch, we decided to take the boys on a golf cart ride through our neighborhood in Sugar Land, Texas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications of our upcoming Jeep Wrangler build and adventure videos. Thank you for watching.